Not every camp spot that we come to is an epic adventure, although in a way it kind of is when you compare it to the normal grind of 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. But this camp spot has been really refreshing in its quiet calm that it's brought. We are camped up on a river and the bird life has been amazing. And we've had a fire every day, which is something that we don't normally do, and it's just been so peaceful and refreshing. So I'm about to make us pancakes. We typically fast every morning until late morning or lunchtime, but I'm making buckwheat and almond meal pancakes for brekkie. Oh yum, that's going to be so yummy on top of the pancakes.
Keep it on there a bit?
Yep. Not sure what happened there. What did you call this delicacy, Ant?
Pancake smash.
Oops, okay, not into a pan, but just back now. So, cooking over a fire,
Pancakes?
Definitely a skill I am yet to master. Alright, oh god, now the butter's on fire.
Get over here. Did you film all that?
Yep. Okay, so we've had charcoal bits stuck to the bottom, then we had a perfect one that didn't stick but was burnt, then I caught the butter on fire. Well, this is definitely an adventure of its own. Alright, so there it is, my pile of wood smoked, maybe slightly burnt, can neither confirm nor deny, gourmet pancakes. Well, that's not too bad. Apple and cinnamon, protein yogurt on top of almond buckwheat chocolate chip, gluten-free pancakes.
It's delicious, but who cares what happened to them while you're cooking them? It's fine.
Two steaming hot coffees on an icy morning. Ready?
What time is it?
No idea. Coffee o'clock.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. Cheers, gorgeous. How'd you sleep?
Pretty good.
It's good. I love you. So I'm just going outside. It's really icy this morning. I'm going to light the fire, but for the first time actually this morning the bus is totally frozen over. As I've been thinking about what I wanted to do for this week's video, I was thinking, geez, I haven't really done anything exciting this week. We didn't go on any epic hikes or visit friends or had visits from friends. And I was kind of a little bit baffled as to what I should put together. But you know what? This week has been just beautiful. Taking the time to pause and reflect on everything about life and everything that we put in it, how we get to decide how we want that life to look. Whether we realize it or not, we have got so much power in that. And to have those moments of reflection have been really very empowering for me.
Hello.
Good morning.
Do you want me to go put the billy on? The billy.
Yes,
Alright.
please.
Cheers, gorgeous. Cheers, gorgeous. Thank you.
So this is what our life looks like on the slower side. No epic hikes, just slow mornings with coffee with my best friend. Pancakes on the fire that were an absolute disaster. There's another fish jumping. And moments like right now, staring at the water, watching the fish jump, listening to the birds, and just taking that time to be so grateful.